my go-to green, is that what you're talking about, a green?
I can remember in one of the lessons you had your two colours that make a green in that.
Yeah. So the two colours are, this is straight from beginner's lessons, is French ultramarine, or in the Rembrandts it's called ultramarine deep, and cad yellow, because
Right.
they're the wrong blue and the wrong yellow.
Yeah.
Make a pretty green, they make a dirty green. So that's my most common one. 99% of the time I'm using that. In the adventurers lessons, there was a time when I mixed up a new dish, which was a really nice olivey sort of green, and I did it with, I think this is Prussian blue. Oh, no, it's in Dancerine blue. In Dancerine blue is a beautiful, dusty, dark, phthalo, dirty, dark blue. It's gorgeous. It's like a real dark enemy blue. So in Dancerine blue, the IB, and then Australian red gold from Art Spectrum brand. So that just makes this really delightful, transparent olive green, which is very strong and dark. So in Dancerine blue is darker than ultramarine, and Australian red gold is transparent, unlike cadmium yellow, which is opaque. So what you get is an extra dark, transparent green. There's sort of the other colours you could try as indigo or Prussian blue, but not phthalo blue. That's too brilliant. That gives you a pretty green.